Hello everyone, welcome to Simplified. So CSIR net exam is coming soon. So I thought that let's get into aptitude section for some revision. So we are now discussing June 2024 morning session aptitude questions. So let's see some of them and let's see whether we are able to do it or not. So let's get started. So first question here is in humans, if both parents are of blood group AB, and then there is a probability of 1 by 4 that their offspring will be of blood group A, and 1 by 2 probability that the offspring will be of blood group AB. So suppose the parents are, it's given over here that the parents are having the blood group AB. Okay, so if we see in our genetics, in our life science, we have studied that it written like this, the alleles are written like this. So I have written here like IA, IB, this is one parent and this is one parent. Okay, so when we will cross this, what we can see IA, IB and IA and IB. So what you will get here, IA, let me make a box first. Okay, now here IA, IB, then IA, IB, and here IB and IB. Okay, now what we can see here, the probability of A blood group, here we can see this is the A blood group and this is B blood group and this is AB blood group, right? So A blood group, the probability of A blood group is 1 by 4. So let me write it over here. Okay, probability of A blood group is 1 by 4. Probability of B blood group, you can see this is the B blood group. So B blood group, it's also 1 by 4. And the probability of AB blood group, you can see this is half, right? So it will be 1 by 2. So probability of AB blood group, it will be 1 by 2. Now this is also given in the question that they have given that there is a 1 by 4 probability that their offspring will be A blood group. Okay, this is what they have given, and half probability that the offspring will be of blood group AB, and they have also given this one. Okay, now what they're asking, if the couple have 3 children, this is important, what is the probability that none of the children will be of blood group A or AB? Now what is probability that none of the children should be of A or AB, like this and this? So first of all, first take out the probability which is not A and AB. So how you will take it? Probability of not having A or AB. So what will be the probability? 1 minus, this is A, probability of A, so 1 by 4, plus this is the probability of AB because they have asked for AB, so it will be 1 by 2. Okay, so 1 minus, if we take it here, 1 plus 2, so it will be 1 minus 3 by 4. Okay, so what we're getting? 4 minus 3 by 4, that will be equal to 1 by 4. So we have taken out the probability of not having A blood group and probability of not having AB blood group. So this is the probability of not having A or AB. But here the question doesn't end. They have asked for 3 children. This is for 1 children, right? So what we have to do? For 3 children, you have to multiply 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. So for the 3 children, the probability is now 1 by 64. So this is the correct answer. Okay, so here the answer, third option is the correct, that is 1 by 64. Okay, so this is how you have to do this sum. Now let's move to next question. Now here they have given A spherical object of radius 6 centimeter was melted and cast into cylindrical bar of radius 3 centimeter. What would be the length in centimeter of the bar? Now they have asked that this is a spherical object. It is having a radius of 6 centimeter and it is melted and casted into cylindrical bar. Okay, this is the bar they have made, and now its radius is now 3 centimeter. Okay, what would be the length? They have asked the length. What is the length of the cylindrical bar? Okay, so this type of question we used to solve in our lower classes, like in 9th or 10th class. So this is very much simple because the volume here is same, right? The volume of the sphere and volume of the cylinder is same because the same sphere has been melted and it's been converted into cylindrical bar. Okay, so here we can say that volume of both the shapes is same, or you can see is equal, right? So we can equate those volumes, right? So volume of sphere will be, you should know the volume of the sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube equals to pi r square L. So this is the volume of sphere, this is the volume of cylinder. Now this is what final. Now after that you can just put over the values and get the answer. Like here you can see first this pi will be cancelled out. Okay, it's equal, so 4 by 3. Now radius of what is the radius of sphere? That is 6. Okay, so 6 into 6 into 6 equal to, what is the radius of cylindrical bar? That is having 3 into 3, and we have to calculate L. Okay, so you can see it will be cancelled out 2, then 8 into 6. So here it will be 288. That will be equals to 9L. After that I am writing over here. So 9L equal to 288. So L equals to 288 divided by 9. So if we cancel it out, it will be going for 2. Okay, so the answer will be 32 centimeter. So the length of the cylindrical bar is 32 centimeters. So the second option is the correct option. Next is 1 meter long rod having diameter of 12 mm weighs 880 gram. What approximately is the density in gram per centimeter cube of the material of the rod? First of all, what you have to calculate, just see, you have to calculate density. So first in your mind that the formula of the density should come, that is density is equal to mass by volume, right? Now what else is given over here? Mass is given, right? That is 880 gram is given over here. And volume, what is the volume of the rod? Volume of the rod means cylinder, that is pi r square L. Okay, so this the value you have to put over here and keep it in the formula and you will get the answer. Suppose we are calculating here density is equal to, okay, let's first calculate the volume, then we will put the values over here. Let me erase this. First of all, let's calculate the volume. So pi r square L, that is 22 by 7 into, what will the radius? Now they have given diameter. Don't get confused or don't make this silly mistake that don't put the values of diameter. You have to write radius. So it will be 6 into 6. And because they are asking in centimeter, here it is given in mm. Okay, also you have to see whether it is given in centimeter or mm or in what way it's asking the answer. Okay, so here it's asking in centimeter. Okay, so now you have to write here 6 by 10, so it got converted into centimeter, and then after that you have to write the length, Where is the length is given? Yeah, so here 1 meter. So 1 meter, it's given in meter. You have to write in centimeter. So what will be the 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, right? So it's written in 100 centimeter. Okay. So just cancel it. It will be cancelled out. Then calculate it. 22 into 6 into 6 divided by 7. Just calculate it, and let me calculate first, then I'll tell you. That will be equal to 113.14. This is the volume that we have got. Now we'll calculate density. Mass is given 880 upon 113.14. So after calculating, you will get around 7.77. That is approximately equal to 7.8. That is gram per centimeter cube. So the answer is third. Okay. Next. Now choose the option that will make the following statement false. Okay. They are asking what is the option which will make this sentence false. Okay. A child counted the number of appearances of the letter T in this sentence and reported it correctly as, the sentence is here, the fill in the blanks is given over here. So you have to calculate the number of T in this sentence, and then you have to choose that option that will not fit in this, that will make this sentence false. Okay. So let me first count the number of T's in this sentence. If we count here, let me take some different color for highlighting it. Okay. So first T is this one. One T is given over here. Then second T. Then third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Okay. Now if I will write 11 over here, suppose I have written 11 option over here, it is making this sentence true because it's the number of T's are there 11 only, no? So but here we have to make this sentence false. Make sure that, so this option will not be coming because 11 word, this sentence is making this sentence true. Okay, so this option will not be there. Now next option 10. Next option is 12. Okay, now 12, if I write over here 12, if I write 12, then also this statement is getting true. How? Because total here the number of T is 11. Okay, here the number of T is 11, and when I am writing this here 12, then number of T, here also T is there, so number of T now adds to 12. That is again making this sentence true. That means this option also cannot be there. Next option, if we see 13. Now if I write 13, again you can see there are 2T over here, and again this will be making the sentence true because here already 11 is there, and 11 plus 2, that is 13, and again the sentence can become true. So this option will also be getting rejected. So the final answer here is 10 because 10 is making the sentence false. So answer here is first option 10. Okay. Next question is, a group of 54 boys and girls was made to stand in a queue as follows. A boy at the start was followed by a girl, then a boy followed by 2 girls, then a boy followed by 3 girls, and so on. The number of boys in the group was, so first of all there's a group of 54 girls and boys, and a boy is starting, a boy is there at the start followed by the girl, that is boy, then girl, then they're saying a boy followed by 2 girls, then boy, 2 girls, Then they are saying a boy followed by 3 girls. Okay, so boy followed by 3 girls and so on. So here we can see there is a formation of group over here. One group that is having 1 boy, 2 girls, then third group, 1 boy, 3 girls, and so on. So 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. The group goes on like this: 1 boy, 4 girls, 1 boy, 5 girls, etc. So this must go on till 54. So if we see, like this is 5, this is 9. If we add on these group, what will happen? Now what they are asking is number of boys in the group, right? So if you see, this is 5, 9, this is 14, then 20, 27. Then if we add 8, 35. Then after adding 9, 35 and 9, it will be 44. And after that is 54, right? So here we are getting 54. What they're asking the number of boys in the group. So in this, in group of 2, 1 boy was there. In the group of 3, 1 boy was there. In group of 4, 1 boy. So you have to calculate how many boys are there in total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. So total there are 9 boys. Understood how it is coming? Here 1 plus 4 girls were there, 1 boy was there. Again here 1 plus 5 was there, then 1 plus 6, then 1 plus 7. This was the group formation, right? 1 plus 8, 1 plus 9. So if we calculate these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, right? So total there are 9 boys. Second option is correct option. So this was all about the aptitude section. We will be later discussing about the life sciences and B section and C section part also of June 2024. But for now, this was all about. So thank you everyone and all the best for the NET exams. Thank you.